Hey crew, today's video will be a 5-flavored pound cake, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have baking powder, vanilla extract, coconut, butter, lemon, and Jamaican rum, unsalted butter. We have eggs, sugar, cake flour, and buttermilk. If you like to see this food video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Let's get into our 5-flavored pound cake. Okay, so we're about to jump into our 5-flavored pound cake. And I'm going to start with the dry ingredients. And I'm going to give y'all the numbers first, and I'm going to measure them out. So we're going to go in with 3 cups of cake flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna mix it together, and that will be our dry ingredients. And after our dry ingredients, we'll move on to creaming the butter and all that good stuff. So we're about to jump to the first part of our 5-flavored pound cake, which will be our dry ingredients. Alright, so we're gonna sift our dry ingredients. Alright, so we have our dry ingredients mixed. Now we're gonna move on to the wet part. We're gonna go in with 3 sticks of unsalted butter that's room temperature. And we're going to cream this together till it's light and fluffy. Alright, so we have unsalted butter, soft and fluffy. Now we're going to go in with 2.5 cups of sugar. And if you want to, you can go in with 3 cups of granulated sugar. But when I do pound cakes, I always do 2.5 cups. For me, I think 3 cups is a little bit on the extra sweet side. So I always do 2.5 cups. So we're going to put it on low speed, and we're going to gradually add in our sugar.
I'm not sure I understand it, but everything seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries
So we're gonna mix this for like 2 more minutes, then we'll move on to the next step.
So easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah, I don't know if you
Alright,
feel the
so we're gonna move right along.
time I hear your name.
We got our butter
My worry
and our sugar cream together. We have 5 large eggs, and we're gonna go in 1 egg at a time while we mix it on low.
I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, true. Yes, you do. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you.
Alright, y'all, so we have our eggs into our mixture. Now we're gonna move on to the other part of the video. We're gonna go in with 1 cup of buttermilk, and we're gonna add our 1 teaspoon of all these extracts into our buttermilk. We're gonna use vanilla, coconut, butter, lemon, and Jamaican rum. So we're gonna add all those into our 1 cup of buttermilk. I want a cup of buttermilk. Alright, so we have all our extracts into our buttermilk. Now we're gonna go in with our flour mixture and our buttermilk. We're gonna alternate beginning and ending with flour.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
Alright, so we got everything mixed for our 5 flavored pound cake. Have our cake pan here. We're going to spray it with baking soda. Then we're going to put our cake batter into there.
What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you.
Alright, proof. So our 5 flavored pound cake is ready to go in the oven. I have it set at 325 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for 1 hour and 10 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean.
If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade.
All right, crew. So I got 5 flavored pound cake out the oven. I baked it for 1 hour and 15 minutes at 325 degrees. I'm gonna give y'all a little close up, and I'm also gonna allow this to cool off completely before we remove it from the pan.
What do I have to do to make you know? Baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's
Okay, crew, so we got our cake out of the pan, and we simply just gonna cut it, and then we're gonna try it, give y'all our honest opinion. They will be able to close out this video, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, crew, so we're gonna cut into our 5 flavored pound cake, and then we're gonna let Queen try it. Y'all, let her know how much y'all appreciate for always helping me out when I need her to help me out. When I need someone to hold the camera or flick a picture or whatever the case may be, she always there to hold me down. So in the comment section below, y'all tell Queen thank you for always helping me out, even though when I get on her nerves. But we about to cut into this 5 favorite pound cake. 5 times. No, I'm just joking. But yeah.
That's good.
I know, we smell that warm. We'll just go through that. Ooh. That crust. It's like butter. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close-up, then we're gonna let Queen try it. You gotta go for the crisp part, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Never fails, huh?
Okay. It's good. It's really buttery. Really buttery. I can taste the rum, the vanilla, a hint of lemon.
Yep. You missing one more. That one may be hard to guess. But you said you want to make one of them. A cake. And I said, oh, I ain't eating none of that.
The eggnog.
Nope.
Coconut.
Yep.
Yeah. Did you put eggnog in?
No. Buttermilk.
The buttermilk. Okay. No, because I'm saying it has a milky. No, the reason I said that because you can taste
That twang.
that's in the eggnog is also in the buttermilk too. But the coconut, yeah, I can taste the coconut flavor. But none of them overpowering. You can just equally taste it. It's really good. It's moist. It's good. It's really good. You can put some fruit on top of it. Like if you, y'all know I'm always trying to add to something.
Like a fruit melody.
Yeah. Peaches, apples. Because you know this time of year people be baking apples and peaches and stuff. You can put that on top of that and have that as dessert. It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
That's perfect. That with that 5 different extracts make you want to do a 10 one. a 10 flavor pound cake.
And y'all know I normally eat more, but to be honest, baby in his kitchen baking for the last 2 days, so I still have other cakes to taste, and I'm not trying to be big back, stomach, head, face, feet, toes. So
Right.
I'm trying to pace myself. Other than that, I've been to toe down that whole cake, but it's good, y'all.
All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and y'all enjoyed Queen Honest Opinion. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.